Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check if a sheet exists and switch to it with Kutools for Excel. With the user-defined function, you just can check if a sheet exists, and which is also a little difficult. However, with Kutools for Excel, the navigation pane lists all sheet names for you, which supports to scroll to find the sheet or filter the sheet name to find the sheet. And if you need, you can click the sheet name to quickly switch to the sheet after finding. In the workbook, you want to check a sheet name if exists in. Click the Kutools tab. In the View group, click the Navigation option. Then in the popping pane, click Workbook and Sheet button to expand the pane. And you can see all sheet names are listed in the pane. You can scroll to find the sheet name, or you can check the filter option and then type the keywords of the sheet name you want to check. Then the specified sheet name will be listed, and click at the sheet name, then it turned to the sheet as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.